Hello and welcome, everybody. This is an exciting day. Kay just got her first copy of the newest book, The Seven No Nos. And so we're all gathered here to watch Kay open this book. We're all excited about this fourth book of Kay's. Go ahead, Kay. Lay it on us. Let's see this baby.
Okay, let's see if
Let's
this
see.
exercises have been working like they're supposed to.
Yes.
Wait, wait.
Yeah. Yeah. Hold the microphone and
Oops, I'm
open the
not
box. Oops,
I'm
there you
not in
go.
the camera.
It's okay. We see you
Where
now.
does this go?
I don't
Ah.
know. There it is.
Ooh, there's this ID paper.
Now, yeah, less
Yeah.
interesting, but
And here we go.
it's the box.
Try
Oh,
to
I see it.
really
It's peeking out.
you can see it's
Yeah,
peeking. It's
it's
peeking.
peeking. Oh, yay. Oh my God,
Okay.
it's beautiful.
Here it
Yay.
is.
Oh, Laura, it
I
kind of
have
matches
messed
you.
up my mic.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Kay. Oh, that's very cool. I love the colors. I love the petroglyphs. Now I understand you drew those. Those are
Oh,
your
yeah.
those are your
Yeah.
artwork.
That's my artwork. They're actually painted.
Wow.
They're painted with black and
Hold
white
it, bring it a little
paint.
closer to the camera. There we go.
Yay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Flip through. Let's see something on the inside. All of us
Oh,
here.
yeah. We got things on the inside.
Oh, cool.
Yes, we have little magic people.
Life without condemnation. Is that what it said? Condemning.
Mm, condemning.
Mm.
Yeah.
Can you go to the back? Because I remember there being a page with all the artwork.
Ah, yeah. I was hunting for a bigger one. These pages are sticking together a
They're all
little
so
bit
cute.
like
Just
new
fresh.
books
Unlike
do.
Laura's books.
Yeah.
Dude, when Laura gets a hold of that book, it'll be tabbed out.
There are drawings, painters, so you can see the print, but there are drawings all the way through the book.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah. And yeah, this is 2 pages of
Nice.
all. Can you see them okay?
Yeah, that's we're
Yeah,
seeing
I'm
it really
not.
well.
Yeah.
Okay, you did all of those.
All of these plus the next page. If I can get it unstuck.
Ooh, those just give me chills. They're stunning.
They were so much fun. So much fun to paint.
It's such a nice sized book too. It's like digest what they call it, digestible. Like you could put it in your purse or
Well, the jacket I have on, it actually has a pocket big enough that it would fit in
I love
there.
it.
Yeah.
Well, that makes it fun. I mean, I know there's a lot of like commuters and other people who like to have the book. They have actually read a book on these places. That's so cool.
We got the book.
And we got the book. It's
It's so
here.
much fun.
I know.
Yay. We
I
did
got to
it.
admit, this is a fun book.
It is.
Yeah. The
It was
practice is
fun.
really fun.
I know the no-nos sound so intense, but it's also just sounds fun. Like it's you're talking to a kid. And
Yeah.
Ah.
it's making fun
Yeah, I
of
think
things.
that's it's something that my elders used to say in their sentences in their broken English, that you don't want to do this behavior. You don't want to do this. There's no doing that. And finally I gave it a shortcut in a joke. It was, and I just started calling them the no-nos. And then we all started calling them the no-nos.
It's stuck.
It's
It's
stuck.
stuck.
It's so easy to remember.
It's
I
a
mean, I don't.
perfect title.
Yeah.
It is.
7 no-nos.
Helmet, did you want to look at it? Or are you going Let's see if it without knocking everything over.
I got it.
Oh, yay! You gotta hold it in
Yay.
the camera.
I
want
I
to
probably
touch
would
it.
have hit him in the
I
head.
can't show it.
Oh no, it won't come up because of your background. Oh, and then your face went away. That's almost creepy.
Okay, I can't show it.
That's okay. It is.
Always.
What do you think, Helmet? Did she do good?
Finally,
Yay.
we
Finally.
worked on that for what, a year?
Yeah.
Okay, for a
Yeah.
lot longer, really.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Well,
work on
yeah.
the
Yeah.
graphic and layout, Laura. Thank you.
It was fun. It was fun.
Fun. It was a
Fun.
lot of fun putting it together, and
You
we've
want your
had a
book
lot of
back?
help. Ah,
Let's see if we can do this one. I love
here it is.
it. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the book is now available for pre-order on Amazon. Everybody can now pre-order. They will start shipping February 24th. And so we're going to start sending out some emails and other things. There's going to be a lot of fun with the launch of the book. Some giveaways, some enter to win, a bunch of stuff coming up in these next few weeks before the book launches, and then even more fun afterwards. So if you want to find out more, go to our website or go to the website, the7nonos.com. And you can spell out 7 or use the number. It works either way.
Yeah.
Yay! Thanks, Kay. Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.